So sabi ko, Lord, ano ba 'to, tama na. Baka naman parang if you are ano, if you are in the circumstances na parang walang-wala na, that's the only time that you will ask help to sa taas, eh. So sabi ko, baka naman baka naman mayroong way para ma-stop na 'to. And then yung wife ko sabi niya, "Tama na, pagod ka na. Ito ba talaga yung gustong buhay mo na nalulugi na nga yung business, puro challenges pa?" And para akong nabaril na parang, oo nga 'no, we didn't sign up for this. Bakit puro struggle yung nararamdaman namin? Until ayun nga, nag-ask ako ng help sa friend ko and makabalik sa corporate, which is I'm currently in. I'm a payments and collection analyst now. So, but ayun nga, multiple struggle. Then sabi ko may mali. I need to do something. And for some reason, nag-browse ako sa Facebook. Nakita ko yung reels ni Jim Rohn. If nga sabi niya, don't wish it was easier, wish you were better. Sabi ko, right. Sabi ko parang, oo nga no. And then pag scroll up ko, nakita ko si RFP. Sabi ko, what's RFP? Sabi ko, tapos binasa ko. Sabi ko parang makakatulong to sa akin. So, in just a matter of seconds, siguro nag-decide ako to join RFP kasi sabi ko, I'm loose na eh. Parang wala nang direction. So, I need something to start. Something new, something fresh. So, yun. That's my story from basically doing good and then ang lalim ng binagsak.